Yep. Good morning, everyone. My name is Narsimha Naidu, and I am the founder and CEO of STEMex India. So, where we work with schools, colleges, and corporates to have this innovation programs in schools and colleges. And firstly, thanks to Pawan, who introduced us here. And there is a wonderful program going here called T-Chip. T-Chip means Telangana chip, which is one of the world's first semiconductor manufacturing hub, you can say, right? So it's a wonderful initiative, and it's going to be a revolution in future. And you can see a couple of robots here with me. You might be thinking why, right? So this robot, which is here, is used in hotels, and it's used in schools, colleges. It can be in reception, and it can also be a co-teacher in schools and colleges, right? And there are a lot of other applications of this kind of robots which can be used in airports and hotels and anywhere. And as of now, the revolution in India has started for this kind of robots, and in future you can see everywhere robots being there. Not only as a human being, you will be seeing driverless cars, driverless trucks, and everything autonomous. Right? So that's about what we do in STEMex India and T-Chip, which is happening in Telangana. Thank you so much. Thank you, ANI News Channel. Yeah. So as you have seen about this robot, I have one more interesting robot here. You would have seen this in IPL, right? Very famous across India. And it's not only for entertainment like IPL or something. It has a lot of other applications. You know, in engineering colleges and high school, students write Python programming to learn automation and robotics with this kind of robots. And also, if you see, Indian Army has hired 80 dog robots like this for border security force to save the lives of Indian Army, because we can attach a lot of attachments to this, like say LiDAR sensors or camera modules, or the gun itself we can attach to this kind of robots, and it can be in the border security force. Not only that, you can say see like Amazon, Flipkart warehouses, right? These kind of robots are used there as well, you know, to pick and place the objects or the equipments in the Amazon warehouse. Also this is used. And not only this, there are a lot of other applications. These kind of robots are seen in Indian market now, right? And which will be a revolution going further, right? So once again, this is Narsimha from STEMex India, and thanks to Pawan, who has given this opportunity for us to be here, and a great initiative by T-Chip, which is happening in Hyderabad, Telangana chip, which is a hub for semiconductor manufacturing in future, right? Thank you so much. Can you say hi to ANI News Channel? Hey, STEMex Laika, can you say namaste to T-Chip Semiconductor, which is happening here in Hyderabad? Hey, STEMex Laika, can you dance for T-Chip and ANI News Channel, which is here? Can you jump from here to there? Can you jump one more step forward?
I'm Professor Swati Ghoshacharya from University of Hyderabad. I'm material scientist, and we have been developing these nanomaterials for specifically for dealing with toxic heavy metal ions, high level of TDS, BOD, COD, which is released from different industries and also from urban communities. So we have developed a new nano technology-based powerful filter, which is extremely important for the existing STP and ETPs as a tertiary polisher, because most of the untreated waste, around 50% of untreated waste, is going into Musi River. We want to stop that, where this technology is going to really help. And we had a vertically integrated company where from UK we have actually our partner Kapiva Gavaza, myself Swati. We have an AI integrated nanotechnology based system where we start from satellite imaging to identify the locations where the river is getting polluted, then correlate it with real-time monitoring at ground level of different toxic metal ions and different BOD, COD, turbidity, nitrate, phosphate, grey water contaminants, and RO reject. One of the most fascinating part of this technology is that it has the power to stop the reject of the RO. Normally 40 to 50% of water is rejected by RO because that reject water has very high TDS. But when passed through this technology, we have the ability to reducing the TDS value to less than 10 so that it can be easily reused into the system. So it is a completely circular water solution. It helps us to not to give the reject water into the river, save the river by recirculating the reject water and treating it completely, purify it, and then it reduces the energy cost also. It reduces the water footprint, it reduces the carbon footprint of the process, and it doesn't use plastic membranes unlike the present technology. So the large amount of plastic waste that is generated by the water treatment companies, that can also be prevented by this. So this is we have come up with this project for restoration of river Musi specifically, because Musi has been a lifeline of Hyderabad, but now because of the dumping of waste and also from the different urban communities, because the untreated waste is being dumped year after year into Musi, it has turned into almost a drain, which we want to revive through this technology by doing partnership with different companies whom we can provide the solution so that they can treat their waste and reuse their water into their own system. Thank you so much.
Okay. తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే ఇంట్లో హిందీలో మాట్లాడితే ఇంటారు, ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడితే ఇంటారు. మీరు ఏ భాషలో మాట్లాడితే అది ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
India's first patented and clinically validated device for physiotherapy for stroke patients. After paralysis, we use the device to recover the paralysis of the hand. This is a very simple device where we use gamification, and games are used to help them make movements and get reflexes. So far, we have done more than 80,000 hours of physiotherapy in Telangana. within 100 kilometers of IIT Hyderabad. First of its kind in the world. My name is Habib.
ముందుకు పంపి
Yeah, go ahead.